Hi, this is Terrell, graphic recorder and creator of Frame the Message Inc. This is Picture This.
In Module 2, Part 2, we'll play around with a few design elements to help you create show-stopping posters. So you will need markers of various colors, including black and gray, and poster paper, any size suitable for practice. Just a brief pause here to remind you of the differences in the tips of the markers you select. This is a bullet tip, good for thin lines and charting. This is a chisel tip. The chisel tip will give you lots of flexibility in drawing both thick and thin lines. In this section, we'll play with fonts, headers, boxes and borders, lines and arrows, and I'll even show you a few of my secret tricks. With a few visual tips and techniques, you can create a masterful message you'll be proud to display and one that is certain to grab your audience's attention. When you think of fonts, think of size as well as shape. Will your font be tall or small, thick or thin? Let's try a few fonts to give you the idea. Headers. When placing a heading on your poster, don't always assume that the headline needs to be straight across the top. Think about ways you can use shape. And also think about the purpose. What is it that you want your headline to showcase? Boxes and borders. Plain black bold lines can be boring. Here are just a few ways you can make your boxes and borders a little more interesting. Lines and arrows. Lines and arrows provide emphasis and movement to your poster. There are lots of ways to create these lines and arrows, but start with just a basic line and triangle. Think about the use of parallel and perpendicular lines. Oftentimes, the trickiest part of a poster is creating the images. Here's a little trick that I've learned. It's a great way to bring some more complex images to your posters and charts, and it's especially helpful when drawing complex logos. Use this trick and don't apologize for it. Step 1. Print out the image in blackline form. Step 2. Place the image under the paper in the location you want the image to appear. Step 3. Trace with a pencil. Step 4. Outline in black. Add some color. Use gray to add some shadowing, and voila, you have a perfectly placed image. In Module 2, Part 3, we'll look at what it means to be literate in a highly visual culture.